Question 8. The diagram shows the plan of a playground. It says Bill is going to cover the playground with tarmac. It costs £2.56 to cover each square metre with tarmac, and we're asked to work out the total cost that Bill will incur. So, what we're going to do here is I'm first of all going to consider the hole shape. So if I consider, say, a rectangle that's 80 meters by 60 meters, and I work out that area, and then I'm going to consider this triangle down here, which I'll shade in. And if I remove the area of the triangle from the area of the whole rectangle, I should be left with the area of the playground. So, like I said, the piece that I don't want is actually the triangle. Okay, so what I'm going to do is start by working at the area of the whole rectangle. And that's going to be found by multiplying the length times by the width. So the length of the rectangle is 80. The width is 60. 8 times 6 is 48. And 80 times 60 is therefore 4,800 meters squared. Okay. Now the triangle, the area of a triangle is found by doing the base times by the height and then dividing that by 2. Now I'm not really fussed at all with this distance here. It tells us that this slanted distance is 50, but it's actually no good to us. I'm just going to consider the base of the triangle, which would be whatever this is here, and I'm going to consider the perpendicular height of the triangle. Now, I know that from this point here to this point here is 40 meters, which means that the remaining part from here to here, so from here to here, must be 40 meters also. And in a similar way, I know the total distance along the top is 60. We know that this distance here, marked by the 2 points, from here to here is 30 meters. That means from here to here must be another 30 meters. So I know that the base of the triangle is 40, the height is 30, so I'm going to get the area of this triangle now. So the area of the triangle equals, and we're going to do the base times the height, 30 times 40, and we're going to divide that by 2. 30 times 40 is 1,200, and 1,200 divided by 2, 600, and it's 600 meters squared. So that means that the area of the playground is going to be found by subtracting the area of the rectangle, the area of the triangle, taking that away from the area of the rectangle. So we're going to do 4,800 subtract 600, and that is going to give us an answer of 4,200. So we know the total area of the rectangle is 4,200. Total area of the playground, should I say, is 4,200 meters squared. It tells us that it's going to cost £2.56 for every square meter. So the cost going to be found by doing 4,200 times by £2.56. Now, it is a calculator paper, so let's take advantage of that. 4,200 times by £2.56. It equals, and we get 10,752. So 10,752. So it's going to be an expensive old job, and that's how much it will cost to tarmac the playground.